This woman fart on me.
Hello? Mom? Pode gerar, né, amor?
No, chicks again.
So with the LOT, you alone to this wall bucket of chicken.
Oh, chicks. Wicked and KFC, man.
Come and see. That video that one I know for your love TV.
Funny dog.
Buckler, my boss.
Yes, sir. No, chicks again.
So with the LOT, you alone to this wall bucket of chicken.
Oh, wicked and KFC, man.
Come and see. Go up more. You can see that bucket. It's a whole heap of chicken in there. You alone, my boss. You alone can eat of that? Show them in there now. Show them in there. You say you alone can eat of that, my boss? Where's the one go? One go, boss, say no man. Chicken for days.
Stop! Jamaica.
Chicken for days. The boss say you eat bun and cheese or chicken and cheese. Chicken for days. You say, not chicken and, you know? Chicken for days. Yeah, man. What I mean, a bigger bucket with KFC bucket, them. A bigger KFC bucket, look at a bigger KFC bucket, people. People, show them one piece. Let's see where you bite piece, man. Let's see where you bite piece, like a big leg, man. And big piece, yeah, man. Show them.
Oh, my God. A far of a chicken there.
Yeah. We up, a whole heap, man. See there? See the people, it's a whole heap in the bucket, people. See them? Put there. Put there.
Come up that two of them,
30 million Jamaican dollars. And that's in 1 cent you give me. And 3 months time, the $30 million done.
So how much a least Kelly take from you now?
£7.5 million. I don't mean this one.
And Kabu, how much Kabu take from you?
30 million. 30 million. I think that's what I make. I'm out of Barroca introduced me to Elite Kelly. So come, she get to rob me my money. Me I tell you what. Think I do. Me a talk in the coming and tell lie.
afraid. Now I realize if cartel come on stage and want for clash to die, me just go on like semi a DJ and do cartel in him eye. Me just kick with him foot and step in him face and chop him up fine. Cartel you die. Cartel you die.
Mad.
Boy, as long as I know how to kill, I always kill with style. I got all my time to kill. I got all my time to survive. I got all my gun and all my shot and my bomb and my new missile. Cartel you die. Cartel you die. Boy, and next man in your house I make love with shorty. You there prison and I ask me why. I say cartel don't ask me why. Cause when you come out of prison you die. Because you kill no pussy, you kill pilot and you chop up lizard fine. Cartel you die. Cartel you die. Boy, you a talk about bounty some pussy a windom and you is a freaky guy. Man a funny in a prison a day. Man a funny in a prison a night. But anytime you come out of prison, cartel you now live the pussy party night. Cartel you die.
Cartel you die.
T5 I'm a chuck and 2 goat. I must stick a donkey them. I'm go over there say, give me my money and my gun. Come out of here, do a bam. Kill the pastor boy and 2 in that run a back to the over.
I lie.
The thief in this thing them on the 2 foot. One day up a stone hill I run my supermarket, me I go finger bust out here. That
Look how more you do that. Tomorrow.
you know what me I do. But what you young black man in and you bounty killer, take on my supermarket a stone hill over there so. Where restaurant in there. You see when time I go film?
I'm ball.
Straight 9 for glory police and know everybody I'm in a respect.
I like.
I want them have to sign up on that.
So why pray now? Where's the going?
Everything good, man. Them girl man they really nice, you know, man. Them love me, you know. Everything good.
Okay.
Yeah, them love me, you know.
Say, nah, boss, no shot in the night.
No.
Alright, it's a decent night.
It's a decent night.
Alright, you say, I get some pussy, you know.
Yeah.
Alright.
With the girl, them.
Say ginger beer, yeah?
Yeah.
Could just buy a ginger beer and give us a packet of me. If I take 2 out there, tax gone up on juice.
Yeah.
See it, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, big up yourself, you know?
Yeah.
Make your people them know what go on, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
So
yeah,
one
man.
packet and for camera.
One packet and take camera.
Alright, much
Alright.
Yo, come out of the machine. Come out of the blood clot place. Open the door.
Come out of the machine.
Open the door.
Come out of the machine. Come do what?
Alright? We are going to bleach for you tonight. We are show you how serious. We are going to show you. Me say we are going to show you how serious. Pussy.
Sorry for your place.
Come out of the machine. Pussy.
Go in the machine. Who the means is are you a machine? You can't take
Yo.
the kind
Yo. Yo.
Yo.
Bad man.
You can't.
Yo.
Your blood clot can't.
Father, watch out now.
Go in the machine like a big machine.
Come out of the machine. Yo. You know, say we have bleach for him. We have bleach for him, man. See the chat.
Yo, fly bomb clot on you.
Watch out, madman lock up in a blood clot machine. And in a card, watch it. With stick. Stick and blood clot jar money. The pussy. Stick and jar money. We are show you how serious are tonight.
Alright. You ain't open the door.
We are show you how serious are tonight. Remember me
Say
tell
that
you
open the
that.
door. Are you a machine?
Me say, remember me tell you, we are show you how serious are tonight. That's it. Yeah, man.
I'm sorry for my boy have a case, man.
Yo, fly bomb clot on you.
We are show you how serious are tonight, man.
Yeah, man, come on,
Police have to come down on this bomb cloud, you hear? Man want to draw them blood clot money and madman in a machine. See there?
Yo,
how much
fly
man
bomb
out of
clot on you.
how much man out of so want to draw money? You see me? Good day.
I'm going to bomb rascal do a push forward.